Yeah, hi John, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know that I've done your part for you. Okay, on inspection the laser was dead, obviously. So I've put a new laser in there. I've checked the cogs for you. I've checked the micro switch and it's, I'll be honest with you, it's in really good condition. I've done one of these exactly units yesterday as well. Exactly the same unit. No different. You've even got the same problem I'll tell you about in a minute. So yeah, so I've done that, so I'm just going to start out for you. Push the volume button up so you can listen to it playing. So there you go, you can see it playing, spinning away there. So there you go, that's your part there. Okay, so that's working as it should be. You've got a 6-month warranty on that, on the part I've replaced and the labour to put that part in. So if that goes wrong, no questions, no hassle, just send it down and we'll do it for you free of charge. But all we ever ask for, if it's a month or 2 months or 3 months later on, is the postage, back to you. So if you appreciate that. Okay, so the other problem that I found, alright, I'm just going to stop this. So the other problem I found, and it's exactly the same with someone else I've done yesterday, is you've lost that cap. Okay, this cap's gone. Right now, from what I understand, it should be like a little spider thing that sits on there, and then the CDs fit on like that, just on the top, and then the clamp comes on. So you've got one part in there. It looks to me, yep, you got the bottom part in there. Okay, so that's still there, but you're missing the other part. So you're going to need to look in your jukebox and find that, because you can't use it otherwise. And also, you're better off. Okay, I'll be honest with you. You're better off actually buying a part like this, because it's actually solid. I haven't got any in stock, and for me they're hard to get. So yeah, I've never sold one in my life, so I'll be honest with you, sometimes I help people out if there's spares, but I've not got any spares for them parts, so you're a little bit stuck on that. So hopefully you can find your other part and super glue it on. But okay John, thank you very much, and enjoy your CD player. Thank you.